Sanya kasa na wankasa. Utnas na wasese pa. Sanya na Ghana football.
Well, Ghana football, dear, to me, meaning said the team be in this country. And all results, I will say, you know, a national team. So national team performance and depict what the clubs are doing now. Then it means we are not doing well. That's what it means.
Okay.
It means how can we play games about 2, 3, 4 times? Not even one team we can win.
Opemsuo.
It means a lot.
Okay.
In fact, more and more fun said it's a criticism and I am they should sit up and make sure things go right.
So Johnny, how do you feel when you hear call-ups into the national team, the Black Stars? Yeah, local player be yeah, mom coaches no. How do you feel?
Well, Omwa yede adwuma share sano. It's their job. If they say, I mean, before you can make a good team, number one, you have to look for the quality brand of players.
Okay.
Number two, you should have been sure of your technical staff that they are also capable
Of doing the work.
of lifting the team somewhere.
Okay.
Opemsuo.
Apart from these two, what else do you need?
Okay.
For about 2-3 years, Mr. Yan, Timan click anytime, anywhere. It means things are not going well.
People have been saying say you will weak technical bench, especially at the Black Stars level. Where Otuado, John Pencil, Fatah
John Pencil was once a national player. That doesn't qualify him to say he should be a level coach who can take the national team there. That's no. Because national team is the national team. And your coaches now selected those players.
Okay.
And it's our Mobana said if they can't deliver, it's whose fault?
I say, and Nabe Association fault almost selected those coaches.
But those in charge of football selection and football training, there are just a few.
Has there been a time, Johnny, FF1 penning for contact you say you've been in the game for quite a long time? It's, you know, okay, let's contact Johnny now or not to experience what my has there been a time?
Never, not even once. Not even once.
So, who feel bad?
I don't feel bad. I sleep well. I don't care.
You sleep well?
Yes. It's their job. It's not my job.
But Johnny, say who experience say na
I don't care. If you don't want me, won't hear me, and you want to offer me.
Sure.
Me and I'm by.
Maybe.
You invited me.
Sure.
So if they know I'm there, that's said they won't want you to come near. Why should I force to go there? Why should I? After all, Omo ya wohono. Ade minne bakwa ball down. None of them is a player who is my mate. None of them me a player. No more. If you don't want some of us to come closer, take your team and do it. I don't care.
I say I team.
I don't even won't think about it. It's their problem. Ampo, I'm telling you the truth. No, today what frame me? I'll tell you my mind. But someone frame me, they think they can do that. They should go on.
But Johnny says the name of Queen, so some memoir and wow,
they will kick them out and bring in people who will do better. Maybe they will call us.
Johnny, you've been in this game for quite a long time.
What frame meetings at a hand pick former players to come and give him suggestions. He did that about 2-3 times.
He didn't call you.
He didn't call me.
No issue, Anna.
Whether we have an issue or not, no, Ghana is not for him. Ghana is not for me. They should take their problem away, I don't care.
Johnny, from the way you are talking, I say you have some
How
hatred.
can you invite younger players? Even I have taught to play football. They invite
Opemsuo.
younger players like Razak Num, like those they invite them. Obi I know I'm in coaching. Let's say if you feel they can help you, but their coach can help you, why should the coach worry? Me, I'm not hurt about it. I don't even bother about it. If you don't need me, I don't need you.
That's your philosophy.
That's my flaw.